Hello? Is this the hospital?
Yes, this is City Hospital. How can I help you?
There was an accident. Someone got hit by a car.
I'm sorry to hear that. Where are you right now?
I'm on Main Street, near the gas station.
Is the person still conscious?
Yes, but he looks very hurt and he can't move.
Do you see any bleeding?
Yes, there was blood on his leg.
Please don't move him. Keep him calm.
Okay, I will stay next to him. Can you send an ambulance?
Yes, the ambulance is on the way now.
Thank you. Please hurry.
Don't worry. Help will be there very soon.
Hello, is this the police?
Yes, this is the police department. How can I help you?
Someone broke into my house.
Are you safe right now, ma'am?
Yes, I'm in my bedroom with the door locked.
When did this happen?
Just a few minutes ago, I heard glass breaking.
Did you see the person?
No, I was too scared to look.
Stay where you are. Officers are on the way.
Please hurry, I'm really scared.
We'll be there in less than 5 minutes.
Thank you. I'll stay on the phone.
Good. Keep talking to me until help arrives.
Hello? Please help me. My house is flooded.
I'm here to help. Where are you right now?
I'm stuck on my balcony. The water is very high.
Are you alone in the house?
Yes, I'm alone and a little scared.
It's okay. Stay calm. What is your address?
It's 22 River Street.
Thank you. Our team is on the way.
Thank you so much. Please hurry.
We will. You're going to be safe soon.
Hello, this is Emily Parker, Noah's mom. Did something happen at school today?
Hello, Mrs. Parker. Yes, Noah fell during recess.
Oh no. Is he badly hurt?
Don't worry, it's just a small cut on his knee.
Did he cry a lot?
A little, but the teacher cleaned the cut and put a bandage on it.
Thank you for helping him. Is he resting now?
Yes, he is in the nurse's room and feeling calm.
Should I come pick him up?
It's your choice, but he can stay until school ends.
All right, I'll come a bit early today.
Sounds good. We'll take care of him until you arrive.
Good morning. Is this Green Cafe?
Good morning. Yes, it is. How can I help you?
I saw your job ad online. Are you still hiring?
Yes, we are. We're looking for part-time staff.
That's great. May I ask what the working hours are?
Sure. It's mostly morning shifts from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m.
That works for me. Do I need to send my CV first?
Yes, please email it to us. We'll contact you for an interview.
Perfect. Thank you so much for the information.
You're very welcome. We look forward to your email.
Good evening, Sunset Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to confirm my reservation for tomorrow night.
Sure. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Maria Gomez.
Thank you, Miss Gomez. Let me check. Yes, we have your booking for one room tomorrow night.
Great. What time is check-in?
Check-in starts at 2 p.m.
Perfect. Do I need to bring anything?
Just a valid ID and your booking confirmation.
Got it. Thank you very much.
Hey, I've really enjoyed talking with you. Can I get your number?
Thanks, Jake. Sure, I'd love to stay in touch. What's yours?
It's 555-1234. And yours?
555-6789. I'll text you so you have mine.
Awesome. Maybe we can grab coffee sometime?
That sounds great. I'm always up for coffee and good company.
Haha, perfect combo. Do you like lattes or cappuccinos?
Lattes all the way. Cappuccinos foam too much for me.
Hey, Ryan, can you help me with our science project?
Of course. What part is confusing you?
All of it. It looks like alien language to me.
Don't worry, I speak fluent alien.
Great. Then maybe you can save my grade and my brain.
Let's start with the easy part. Did you write the introduction?
Yes, but I spelled experiment like excitement.
Well, science is exciting, sometimes.
Thanks for helping. I owe you cookies or something.
Cookies accepted, especially chocolate chip ones.
It's really hot today, isn't it?
Yeah, the sun is strong. I'm already sweating a lot.
Did you finish planting the rice this morning?
Yes, I did. It was hard work, but worth it.
That's good. I still have one more field to finish.
Take it slow, or you'll get too tired.
True. I'll rest here for a while before going back.
Good idea. Let's drink some coconut water.
Sounds great. Nothing is better on a hot day.
Right. Life in the field is simple but peaceful.
Hi, do you work here?
Yes, I do. How can I help you today?
I brought my cat. She needs some care.
Sure. What seems to be the problem with her?
She looks tired and doesn't eat much.
I see. How old is your cat?
She is 3 years old.
Has she been drinking water normally?
Not really. She drinks very little.
Okay, I will check her first. May I hold her?
Yes, of course. Please be careful. She's shy.
Don't worry, I'll be gentle.
Thank you. I just want her to feel better.
You're welcome. We'll do our best to help her.
Ben? Wow, is that you? It's been so long.
Olivia, I can't believe it. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work. What about you?
Same here. Life has been crazy but good.
Are you still living in Chicago?
No, I moved to Denver last year. How about you?
I'm still in New York. I miss our school days.
Me too. We had so much fun back then.
We should grab coffee and catch up more.
Absolutely. Let's not wait another 5 years.
Good morning, Jake. Why are you late again today?
I'm really sorry, Professor. The bus was late.
This is the third time this week. Do you know what time class starts?
Yes, it starts at 8 a.m. I'll try harder to be on time.
I hope so. Do you think it's fair to your classmates?
No, it's not. I understand. I didn't mean to disturb the class.
What can you do to make sure this doesn't happen again?
I'll leave home earlier from now on. Maybe 30 minutes earlier.
That's a good idea. Do you want to stay after class and catch up?
Yes, thank you, Professor. I really appreciate that.
Alex, why are you still playing games? It's already 11 p.m.
Just 5 more minutes, Mom. I'm almost done.
You said that 30 minutes ago. Don't you have school tomorrow?
Yes, but I can wake up early, I promise.
No, you need sleep to grow. Do you want to be tired all day?
No, but this level is really hard. Can I save the game?
Yes. Save it now and turn it off. Do you understand?
Okay. I'm going to bed now. Good night, Mom.